YouTube, Anthony here. I'm here to make a quick sale video of my LeBron Iron Elites, South Beach. Sorry I sound kind of weird, but my phone's messing up. I did a carbon fiber fix, as you can see. Sorry about that. Focus. Yeah. Comes in the box. Size 11. Easily fits a 10.5. Pair. Carbon fiber fix. 5-wire. Inside. Pretty much not that flawed. Not a lot of flaws. There's basically no flaws except the swoosh doesn't pop out. Looks great. I'll do 60 ship. So personal message me. Just message me back. Alright, thanks.